everyone, I'm Debbie Wright, Style Director here at Lug, and today's video is all about how to pack efficiently while maximizing the amount of outfits that you bring on your next adventure. Here are a few tips to get you started. Tip number one is when I'm packing multiple t-shirts, I like to layer them on top of one another and fold them together. That way I can maximize the number of outfits I'm bringing and it takes up the least amount of space. Tip number two is how to fold bulkier pants. Tip number three, if you've ever wondered how to pack that straw hat for vacation, first you want to start out by putting things like socks inside to keep the shape of your hat. Then you want to put it in a large packing cube. You can pack all around it to maximize the space in the cube and to protect the structure of the rim. Then zip it up and you're ready to go. And one last little packing tip, I like to make sure everything stays fresh when I'm traveling, so I simply put a fresh dryer sheet into each packing cube. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you were inspired to pack a little bit more efficiently for your next travel adventure. And as always, please be sure to click subscribe and join us for more to come.